Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So now let's create this part design in CATIA. So just I'll go here with this generative sheet metal design. Let's say okay. Now before starting we need here thickness and bend radius. As you can see, thickness we are having here 1 mm, then bend radius also we are having here 1 mm. So sheet metal parameters, thickness is 1, bend radius is 1. Let's say okay. Now I am considering this as a fixed face. So just I'll create this shape. For example, on the front plane I'll go for sketch. We need this shape, so just I'll start from somewhere here like this. One horizontal line, then one inclined line here like this, then again one vertical line. Next to that we are having curvature, so just I'll come forward, then again just I will drag it here to get curvature in reverse direction, but we are not getting in proper shape. So let's make it here escape. Then one curve we want here. I'll draw one 3-point arc from here to here like this. Then again profile from here, one vertical line, then one horizontal line, then vertical line up to somewhere here like this. Now just I'll select these profiles. Only this I will select and I'll make it here mirror with reference to this vertical. So why I have not made here mirror means, if you make this profile as up and if you make mirror, later while converting into part, a single line will be shown there. So to avoid that, just I have skipped that. So if you want, you can try it and you can check it. So you will get one extra line there. So if you get extra line also no problem, but just to avoid that I have done in this way. Then the center point should be coincide with this. Then this center point also should be coincide with this. Then this to this already symmetric relations are there. Let's go for dimension. Length we are having here 11. Then this curve radius we are having here 2.5. Then base we are having here 18 mm length. Then this total length we are having here 23 from line to line. Then this curve should be in reverse direction like this. By using constraint, as you can see, the center point should be exactly straight to 23. So this point to this line will make it coincidence. Then length from this edge to center point we are having here 12. This edge to center point we are having here 12. Then only this inclined height, if you leave that, this step we are having 5 mm. It means from this to this we need only here 5 like this. Then total length we are having 30.2. From top to bottom we need 30.2. Then just I will adjust the shape like this. This height we are having here 6 plus 5, total 11 we want. So this height we want here 11 like this. Profile is created. Exit workbench. We'll make this wall. Let's say okay. So this fixed face is created. Then next we are having here one wall on edge or flange profile, whichever we can consider here. So we need here directly we can go with wall on edge or flange also we can use. No issue with that. So we need wall on edge in reverse position. Total length from here to here we are having 4. Total length from here to here we are having 4. but here we are able to select length only from this to this. If you want, we can change from where to where you need to consider. So only dimension we want from this to this we need 4 mm. So here we are going to take dimension after this. It means we need to take here only 2 mm like this from this. So we need to select which one we need to take. So starting only I am taking. So directly we can take 4 mm. Then material should be started from that edge. So material should start from upside. We'll make it here. Material should start from exactly from here, but it is coming towards inside. If I use invert material side also, still more down it is coming. So we need to project this upwards. So in such case, we can use here monodirectional. How much we want? Just we need only 1 mm. Why? Because thickness is 1 mm. So monodirectional 1 mm, let's say. Okay. Like this we can do it. Then next to that, we are having here this wall on edges. So wall on edge we want this side. This wall on edge length we are having here 20. So let's give this 20 like this. But we are not having total length of here 11. Only we are having 6 mm by giving a gap of 5 mm. So in the right side extremities on the right side we need here -5. So that 5 mm it should be. By leaving the space of 5 mm, this wall and edge should start. So here we are going to select only one side. Why? Because if I select one more edge, you can see here like this, both we can create. So sometimes we will be having here in reverse direction, offset dimensions. So length of 20 by giving a gap of 5 mm, we need here one wall on edge. Then if you observe properly here, material should start from that edge, but here material is starting from inside, so it should be from outside. So here before usually it will be inside, we need to start from here. We can make it monodirectional with 1 mm, let's say. Okay, like this we will get. So after this wall on edge, again we are having here two wall on edges. Again wall on edge for this in this direction, wall on edge in this direction. You can see for one it will be left side, for one it will be right side. So what we can do, first we will select only one, then we will make proper position for this. This one also same, here we need with length of 6 mm. From starting to center it should be 11 mm. So simple calculation here. From starting to center we are having 11. Already we know this width is 6 mm. So 6 by 2, if you make this half, we will get only 3 mm. It means 11 minus 3 if you make length from edge to this edge we are having here 11 minus 3, 8 mm we will get. I hope you have understood that calculation. So from here to here we need to make here extremities. So total length we are having here, this length is 7.5. Length is 7.5. Here also material should start from that edge. Already it has taken monodirectional of 1 mm. Then from this side also we can make it, or from this side also we can do calculation. So here we need 8 mm. So in a 8 mm already 1 mm thickness is there, 1 mm bed radius is there. So directly we can make it on left side -6. Total dimension from this to this we need 8 mm. In that already 1 mm thickness removed, bend radius 1 mm removed. So we are having gap of only 6 mm. Same here like that also. Total 20, 11 plus 3 this side. So 11 plus 3 we will get 14 from here to here. 20 minus 14 we will get here also 6 mm. So same this side also we need -6. minus 6 we want like this. I hope you understood. Now we can select this edge also. Let's say like this. We have created wall and edges. Then next we can go here with this fillets. So fillet radius we are having here radius of 1 mm, here radius of 3 mm, here radius of 2 mm. So fillet this to this we are having only radius of 1. Then fillet radius for this we are having here 2 mm. Same here also and here also. This edge, again this edge, again this and this. We are having here radius of 2. Okay. Then radius for this edge and bottom this edge. We are having radius of 3 mm like this. So these are the fillets we are having. Then next we can go for last holes. Center hole we are having diameter of 15. So hole we want exactly here, diameter of 15, depth up to next, position sketch. It should be exactly at this origin point. So just I'll select this point to origin, will make it coincidence. Exit workbench. Let's say okay. Then again two holes are there here with a diameter of 2. So directly hole we want exactly center of this curvature with a diameter of 2. Okay. Same one more we want. So directly we can make this one mirror with reference to this. Let's say okay. Again here two holes are there. Again here also diameter of 4. Total 4 holes. Here and here, here and here. So again hole we want from here. Diameter we need 4. Position sketch. Dimension we are having from for the center hole from edge to here 11 is there. This to this 29.3 is there. From here to here total 29.3 by 2. Then this edge to this we are having here 11. Exit workbench. Let's say okay. Same that also I'll make it here mirror with reference to this. One more hole we want from this face. Diameter of 4. Depth should be up to last. Position sketch. So this to this we need here. I'll take it 3 into 3. So exactly we need at center. So we'll maintain 3 into 3. Let's say okay. So like this we can create this part. So I hope you have understood how to create this part. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you so much.